I'm definitely gonna remember you. Right, babe?
Right, yes, baby.
But my hand is, look at my hand.
How your hand feeling?
The ice is feeling alright though, but
That's good.
In a quarter mile.
I just never seen it. The bank you're going to is an actual bank or it's
no, it's actual bank.
Oh.
There's both. You know, one side is the bank, one side is the other side. I'm going to the side to go inside. I
Keep
need
left
to
to
debit
stay
card.
on Granite Street.
Kind of nice out here today, huh?
Real nice.
Yeah, I see. It's really good.
Continue on Granite Street for half a mile.
Finally, warmer weather.
Huh?
Finally, warmer weather.
Oh, I know. We need it.
Oh, shit.
Definitely need it.
Get a new look. Trying to do something nice. Real quick. Them guys, you know, just trying to do a little something nice, just a
You
little.
look very handsome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
The best.
Thank you.
We're about to be 21 years off and on.
Oh man, what are you doing? Why you have to? Yo, let me.
21 years off and on.
What the hell is wrong with this girl? You always gotta say something like 21 years. Like, are we gonna get like a gift? Are we gonna get like a winning prize or something?
No.
So you just like to broadcast it. You just want to broadcast.
Yes.
Craziness. If I tell you the real story, you should be really mad on his YouTube channel.
Don't you dare. You
She
dare.
would get really mad. She'd be angry. But the vice grip key. The things you see, man. I think it's only Massachusetts. Cause I seen some guy with what he had he had the pins wrapped around his whole face instead of a mask.
As a mask.
Oh, man.
Around his whole face. That shit was hilarious. I couldn't even go in the store. That shit had me crying.
That is sick.
He was all set. He was practically normal too. He knew he was doing. He knew what he was doing, though.
Craziness. Absolutely crazy.
Yeah, you put it on social media and you get a lot of likes.
Yeah, I know.
People making money doing crazy stuff.
Yeah,
know.
people are doing crazy stuff.
What was that? The glue on the hair?
Oh, I know. The gorilla glue.
Yeah,
That girl crazy. You heard that case, right?
Now she's making money.
She put gorilla glue in her hair, and it got stuck, and it went viral. I'm sorry, I didn't hear it.
Why? Because she had to cut her whole head off. That's why.
She had to go to the hospital and get surgery.
Oh shit.
Oh, she's crazy.
Why would you put gorilla glue? Gorilla glue is strong glue, though.
Well, how old was she? Like 12?
No.
She's a grown woman? Oh, no, she's all set. She was definitely on one. On two.
on 3.
The whole bottle.
She definitely was on it. Oh, man. You're going to have it right there, man.
Oh yeah, no.
Let me roll down the window a
Either
little.
way, we good.
Yeah. Well,
Bust
Yeah.
this move quick. Bust that move. There's 3 moves, and we're done.
so when you're in the bank, I'm gonna be like right when I see you, like finish out of the line, I'm put the other ride through,
Oh, yeah, okay. Smart.
so it could be like almost here.
Uh-huh.
Is this left right here?
Yeah, I think it's our left, yeah.
Oh, there's only a left right there anyway.
Yeah. That's right. Over there. See what I think. You know where it is, right?
Oh, the
Bank of America.
it's right in front of you.
Yeah, right in front of you.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
Bank
right
of
there.
America, right in front of you.
Yeah, now I see
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
It's way up there.
Yeah.
Usually like red, white, and blue. But that-
Yeah, but this is
I
one
know,
different. That
yeah,
one's
this
been like
one
that
is
for
way
years.
different.
I don't know why it's been like that.
They need to change their colors.
No, it's okay. They're different. They can be different.
That's true.
I think I like the glasses more. I don't even wear glasses. I think I just like it. It's a new look.
It's a new look, yeah. That's a nigga with
Oh, shit. Yeah. It's a nice day. I hope summer's gonna be like real nice.
Me too. I'm looking forward to a nice one.
Like a really nice day. Thank you very much, sir.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Don't worry, if I go viral, I'll remember you in the history of the Lyft. That little motherfucker right there. No deal with me. What do you mean what's the deal with me though? I'm not doing that. Oh, hold on. You see your boy out here. Which way you going in?
Look very, very nice.
I know, boo. I don't know.
Thank you.
You welcome, ma'am. No problem. Going in too, sir?
Thank you very much.
Take your time. Take your time.
No choice.
Yeah. Oh, you all right? Don't worry. I got you.
When I heard the guns and bombs go off, I they see me move then. You find the biggest guy and you get behind him.
You're doing fine, though, sir.
Yeah, okay. Christ, I'm in my mid-80s.
So how old you said you was?
85.
85? You still look young. All right. Let me make America. I'm gonna sit my black ass down somewhere and wait for her, so I can get my little change. Oh, look at this. Oh, hold on. Look at the shoes. Look at the Spurs. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, that's the ice. On the wrong spot. Oh, shit. Put this fucking shit on. Look at this guy. OG, 85 years old. No mask. He got the mask under his chin. Chilling, cooling. Look at him. Looking right. Well, that's all, folks. Tune in for the next video. Turn up.